baka kopyahin lang din ng minority. I would not like to discuss the defense strategy, particularly because the prosecutors will come from the House of Representatives. Magpinsan po ba si Congressman ko ngayon tsaka si Zaldico? Madam Chair, I suggest that the Congressman ask this during the hearing of the Commission on Audit. This is a status of documents inside the office of the Commission on Audit. So it has to be the Commission on Audit who will answer what is happening to this notice of disallowance. Here, this is the subject of an impeachment trial, and I would not like to discuss the defense for the impeachment trial. No public funds were used for all my travels. I did not charge representation. I did not charge tickets. I did not charge per dime for all my travels in the Office of the Vice President. So the Office of the Vice President from 2022, 2023, and 2024 received unmodified opinions from the Commission on Audit. Wala po silang nakitang nawawala. Nawawala po yung papel